Good afternoon, dear students. A very good afternoon, each and everyone. So, dear students, today we are going to cover one of the lessons poem from your reader book. That is chapter 4. 3 we are skipping it. It will not come in your examination. And second one, the magic bonbon, it is coming in your examination. You have already got the syllabus also today, I think. Now, literature reader 7, chapter 4, a song from the Suds, written by Louisa Me Alcott. Okay. Now, quickly attend your live class, so that I can go in this point, because I can ask you in between any lines also to explain in examination. So any stanza like extract writing from this poem can also be given to you. So when questions are given, that time you need to understand what to write. Okay, just waiting for a minute, then immediately I will start. And this time those who are attending live classes, see, of course I will be keeping that one in point. That point I will take care, how many students are attending live classes, and those who are not attending, really I will be very much casual in checking their paper also. So I am telling you, if you are not attending live classes, then you will be in trouble, I am telling you. Now you can see the poem, a song from the Suds by Louisa Me Alcott. Clear? Now first stanza, we can see it here, queen of my tongue, I merrily sing, while the white foam rises high, and steadily wash and reach and wring, and fasten the clothes to dry. Then out in the fresh air, free fresh air, they swing under the sunny sky. Clear? So, before I start the poem, I am going to tell you the introduction part, what is all about this part, Okay, in life, see, you have a lot of difficulties. Okay, you might be having some unpleasant memory also in your life, some bitter experiences you might have also led in your life. Okay, then the poetess here, she is a female poet, and the speaker, I merrily sing means I hear the first person pronoun. It says that it's all about the speaker. She is a washer woman, okay, who is washing clothes. Okay, that I'll teach you line by line right now. But before I go to stanza 1, first of all I would like to give you introduction part. So what is all about the poem? Okay, so what happens, you see, in life, see, when you have some negative feelings, okay, some negative ideas, sometimes it can come to your mind also. And when negative thoughts, a bunch of thoughts, when they come into your life, then it might become a headache for you also. And people, what happen, they just get broken. They might fall sick also, when a lot of anxieties are there, a lot of worries are there in your life. Then these all negative points, thoughts, what it can do, they can make you upset, and they can make you morally down also. Did you understand? So there is one way only, the poetess says here in this poem, that there is only one way to get rid of this. How to escape? If you have so many bad feelings also, how to escape from it. The poetess gives only one solution, and that is you keep yourself so much busy in your work that you might forget it. And I am telling you, those people who are really busy, 24 hours, they are busy, they are busy in doing their work. Then what happens, they don't get enough time to think. But if you are sitting idle, doing nothing, then all the negative feelings will come to your mind. So it means that we have to work hard. Did you understand? You work hard, keep yourself, or keep yourself remain, busy every time, so that you don't get any opportunity, you don't get any chance to think of all these negative ideas. Even if these negative ideas are roaming, they are revolving inside your mind also, then it happens, nothing. They won't do anything. So the main solution the poetess is taking out in this poem, bringing out, that we have to keep ourselves every time busy, work over a busy track, so that you won't get any chance to see it, So come to the first stanza. Queen of my top, I merrily sing. The poetess is talking about that she is the queen of her top. Top means a sort of utensil, you can say, where you can put detergent, where you can put pour water also. Or top, everyone might be having top in bathroom also. Okay, so you might have seen top also. So the poetess, the speaker, is telling that here, okay, she is the queen of her top. And in other way, you have to understand that she is a washerwoman. The poetess or the speaker is a washer woman. Now in villages, washer men and women you can find, they take, collect, all the clothes, dirty clothes, and they will wash and again give it to you. In city also we have the washermen and women will come and take your clothes, again they will give it back to you. Okay, so queen of her top, I merrily sing. The poetess is, or the speaker is a washerwoman here, and she is happily singing, while the white foam rages high. When she is washing clothes, then the poetess is so happy that okay, so she is keeping herself busy in washing clothes, becoming happy every time, putting detergent also, steadily washing, rinsing and wringing, twisting and fastening the clothes to dry also, twisting the clothes to squeeze the water. Okay, then out in the free fresh air, they swing under the sunny sky. So what I mean to speak in first stanza, queen of my top, I merrily sing. I here refers to the washerwoman. The speaker is a washerwoman. She loves to wash clothes. Whenever she is doing that work, she is very, very happy, And especially she is so happy, when the white foams, they raise high up, With the help of water, detergent, the foam will create. Okay. And she is washing it, rinsing it, wringing also, then fastening the clothes to dry, then letting, or she allows them to get dry, out in the free fresh air, Did you understand? It means that what the poet wants to tell you indirectly here, Don't think that simply the washerwoman is doing her job. Did you understand? Don't think it in that perspective. It has a deeper meaning. The inside meaning of this particular stanza is that so if you keep yourself busy every time, any work you do, you should be happy. Okay, because some people you might have seen when they do any work they are not happy actually, and in a very lazily manner they will perform their task and the task will not become successful. So any work if you do it honestly, happily you do it with your all heart and mind and soul you do that work, so that the result you will get it. Okay, and the poetess also tells you here in the first stanza that you keep yourself busy. The first stanza it is all about how the washerwoman is happily washing the clothes. Line by line if we study, then how the washerwoman is happily washing the clothes, and she is so happy, especially while the white foam it raises high up. Okay, so he is rinsing, then washing it very properly, then twisting the clothes. Wringing means WRING, ring means twisting the clothes and squeezing the water out. And after the water gets out, what the woman is doing? She is taking all the clothes and drying them also under the sunny sky. So this is all about. I wish we could wash from our hearts and our souls the stains of the week away. Now the main point will come to learn in the second stanza. I wish we could wash from our hearts and soul the stains, the dirtiness. Stains means the dirtiness of the week away, and let water and air by their magic make ourselves as pure as they. Then on the earth there would be indeed a glorious washing day. Now what happens, you see, over a long period of time, say some people they might be having some bad feelings and they might have kept it inside their heart. Okay, and all these can be recapitulated if they don't do any work. So I wish we could wash from our hearts and our souls the stain of the week away, like the washerwoman, how with the help of detergent she is rinsing and wringing, twisting the clothes and squeezing water, and in free fresh air how she is drying them off so that they can look very beautiful. The clothes can become beautiful. When the dirt is over, then of course your clothes will become gorgeous. It looks gorgeous. Like that, if you have dirtiness inside your heart, then what will happen? These can demoralize you. Okay, all the negative feelings if you have, then they will demoralize you. They will make you down also. They will never uplift you. Okay, and you will be broken. So, and let water and air by their magic make ourselves as pure as they. Then on the earth there would be indeed a glorious washing day. So when we can think of a glorious washing day, like the washing clothes, okay, with the help of detergent, how we can rinse and and make them dry under the sunny sky. Similarly, if you really remove all the stains, all the dirtiness from your heart, then indeed that day will be a glorious washing day for you. Did you understand? Till you have some negative feelings, if you, because many people they just can't remove their negative ideas and thoughts from their heart easily, and they can't do it easily only because they think more and more about that. They are not busy actually. Once you remain busy, then you won't get any chance to look back upon the past. Because the past will always haunt you. So we can think of celebrating a glorious washing day only when you remain busy yourself and do your task properly, so that you won't get any chance to look back the stains of the weekday. Along the path of a useful life, while hearts is ever bloom, the busy mind has no time to think of sorrow or care or gloom, and anxious thoughts may be swept away as we busily build a room. Now I am telling you, anxious thoughts may be swept away. The sorrow, the care, the gloom, all the negative feelings, all the melancholies, all the sad, the plight, sorrow, all can be removed easily. We busily wield a broom. If you have really a busy mind and you have no time to think, a busy mind, I am telling you, every time a busy mind is the happiest mind, Busy mind in good work. If you are reading every time, then this is a very good job, But idle mind is a devil's workshop, Remember this. Idle mind is a devil's workshop, Those people who are sitting idle, then always they think something negative about their life, and about other people also. They will be always finding fault with other people, because they are not busy. So the busy mind has no time to think, and you have to keep yourself busy also, so that the sorrow, the care, the gloom, anxious thoughts, they can be swept away. They can be removed from your mind. It means busy mind, to become a busy mind, it's a positive thing. If you really are a busy mind, then it's a positive thing, and it has plus point that you don't get any chance to look back upon the bad memories or feelings that you have. Did you understand? So stanza 3, it says that a person should be a busy mind and should have no time at all to think, so that the sorrow, care or gloom or all anxious thoughts that can be easily swept away, We can remove all the negative thoughts, all the anxious thoughts, all the sorrows, all the sufferings, all the problem, all the negative thoughts can be easily removed. They can be driven out when we keep ourselves busy. Did you understand? The last one, I am glad a task to me is given to labor at day by day, for it brings me health and strength and hope. And I cheerfully learn to say, head you may think, heart you may feel, but hand you shall work always. The poetess or the speaker in the last stanza says that I am glad a task to me is given to labor at day by day, We should be grateful to God that God has given you 2 hands to work. Never let them stop, These 2 hands, never let them to stop. Some sort of work you go on doing. Like the washerwoman is washing the clothes using the hands. So I am glad a task to me is given to labor at day by day. I have to work hard. And I am really telling you, if you really work hard since morning till evening, then you won't get any chance to find any negative feelings, or you won't be able to think about your negative feelings, if it is, they are already in your mind also. Because life is all about, sometimes you have sweetest memories also, sometimes bitter experiences also you can have. So that bitter experiences can be swept away when you keep yourself busy, And it can bring you health and strength and hope also. If you really work hard, if you keep yourself busy, then it can bring you good health, it can bring you strength and hope also. And I cheerfully learn to say, head you may think, heart you may feel, but hand you shall work always, So God has given you 3 H, 1 head, that is for thinking, That is, think every time always positive, Okay, sometimes if negative feelings, it can come into your mind also, and it can make you worry also. It can make you worry also about something else in your life. Okay, but every time, if possible, we have to think something positive, so that our life can be joyful, happier, and heart you may feel. Be kind to people, and you feel something good for the mankind. And your hand God has given you, that is only meant for work, You have to work hard, always. Okay, 3H. Okay, so 3H, what is the utilization of 3H? One head, that is for thinking something very positive and good, or for the welfare of mankind. And next one, heart, means we have to be very much be compassionate, I can say, or showing compassion, or showing sympathy to people. And hand, you shall work always, and God has given you hand so that we can work hard, and we should keep ourselves busy so that we won't take care of, or we won't be thinking about our sorrow or gloom or any care, because the busy mind has no time to think about all these negative feelings, So any doubt, any query if you would like to ask me, you can ask me about the poem, any line or anything else, sir, this line, and what is all about the poem I have not understood, then you tell me. So I told you that, this poem is nothing but how to keep busy in life, and there is one plus point to remain busy, that is I am telling you, and the poetess also tells you throughout the poem, that if a person remains busy throughout the day, then there is one ultimate benefit, greatest benefit that you are getting, that you hardly get time to think about your worries and anxieties in life. Okay. See, at home, a lot of problem is there. When I went to my native place, a lot of problem is there, but when I came here, I started taking live class, that I engaged myself, So, for the time being, see, at least I am forgetting all the bad memories, whatever I had actually. Okay. Sometimes, see, we can have dispute with people also, but as soon as we are engaged in our work, then we forget that. So keep yourself busy so that you can forget every bitter experiences in your life. So this is all about the point. So you tell me, because I will be just giving you one or two questions from this poem, So if you have any doubt, then you can tell me. So briefly, I am once again summarizing within 2 minutes, then I'll wind it up the class right now. So first stanza, queen of my top. So the poetess or the speaker is telling herself that she is the queen of her top, and whatever the task she is doing, she is just like a washerwoman. The speaker tells that she is a washerwoman. She is washing clothes. And you know the nature of washerwomen, what they do actually. Okay, how she is washing clothes, how she is putting some detergent to wash the clothes, how she is wringing, twisting the clothes and squeezing the water out. Then how she is letting them out in the free fresh air under the sunny sky. So this is all about described, but we have deeper meaning that we have to understand that. So next one, how the stains of the week can be removed, Okay. So the poetess also wants that each and every one should remain busy so that they can remove all the stains, all the dirtiness, whatever they have negative feelings, negative minds, because some negative thoughts which are inside our mind, So that can be removed from our hearts and soul, the stains of the week, like the washing clothes. Did you understand? Then number 3 stanza, we came to know that how the person should remain busy, and should have no time to think, so that all the sorrow, suffering, whatever the problem you have in your life, they can be, or anxious thoughts that can be easily swept away, they can be easily driven out from our mind, from our life. And the last one, it is all about 3H. One is for head, one is for heart, one is for hand, and we discussed also what is meant for head, what head does mean, what it means. Head means you have to think something positive, something good for the mankind and for you also and for your family members. And heart, you may feel, because some people, they don't have feelings also, because they never bother for other people. So you should be responsible, sensitive also, okay. Now people are cutting trees also because they don't feel about the importance of trees. So it should not happen also, but you don't bring that one into this poem, cutting trees and other things. Okay, just example I cited. Okay, so heart you may feel, and hand you shall work only. So hand God has given you, just it is meant for working hard. You have to strive hard. In your life, keep yourself busy every time, 24 hours, and you see how life will be more joyful and happier, and you will be really happy. Did you understand? So this is all about. So if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Tomorrow I will be just sharing with you the question answer of this poem, some question answer. So that portion will come in examination. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you just go through the poem today. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me tomorrow any line if you have any problem. And essay writing competition you send faster, so that few students only have sent me. So you send me quickly, so that if it is found good enough, then it can be uploaded in CBSE site, whatever the link they have given, we have to upload this, the school will upload, okay, in that site. So please do your task and register yourself, because I will not remind you. If you fail to register, then remember that through WhatsApp, if you send me answer sheet, then it will not be granted. Through Google Classroom only you have to send it. Okay, so if you have not yet registered, then every day I will not give you reminder. Okay, so you think of it and do it today itself. Thank you very much. We'll meet tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Thank you very much.